Hey, how you doing? This is Kurt, and I wanted to just run you guys through getting to the LMS at manananomás.com and using that voucher for free access to the course that we have on after the camp, after the challenge. So, if you go to course catalog and look that up, you probably will not see that there. You want to go to My Courses. And what I've done is I've added the voucher into a system on the My Courses page at the very bottom. So if you already have an account, you would do the login right here, right? But if you're going to be new and use the voucher, you want to go in here and you want to fill out this registration thing. So I'm going to use my daughter as an example, and she is Rainey, and I'll confirm her email address here. And I apologize for typing so slow, but I wanted to get that in there for you. Now, I put in here that I wanted passwords that were strong. I thought that was a smart thing to do. I may reduce that down the road a little bit because I think that some folks may have issues with making strong passwords and then trying to remember them later. Okay. My daughter is, of course, Rainey, last name Von Annen, and street address is a mandatory thing. I'm going to do the 1234 Hayabusa Place, and then the phone number. Typically, the system wants you to do like a real phone number kind of format, right? So we'll put that in there. Now, this box here is important. I want you to check the text message. And I want you to do that because the system, in some instances, will send you SMS notifications like congratulations for a course, things like that. But here's the deal. The voucher that I put in that post where I gave some of you some free access, you go here, boom, you put in the voucher number, and you click register. And there we go. That takes you course enrollment success. You are enrolled in after the challenge. Then you can go to your courses here and you can do the course. Now, let's say that you're doing the after the challenge course and you decide, hey, I also want to do that other free course that's on there called Embrace the Process. When you are already signed into the site, you can go to the course catalog. You can go down to Embrace the Process. You'll pull up the intro page for that course, and you can also say enjoy on us for free. Dun dun dun. And now you've got a course, Embrace the Process. So you've got two of those, right? Now if you were to go back and go to course catalog and then click on My Courses, you will see that you have two courses in there. And keep in mind we're adding like 8 more courses right now. I'm working on this stuff in the background. If you were to go one step further, go to Membership Catalog and go to My Profile. This is where I am strongly encouraging people, and this is why I've given you the voucher in the first place. Go in here and build yourself a profile just like you would on Facebook. Timeline, courses, memberships, achievements, all that stuff's in there for you. Talks about when you joined, how's it going. You go in here and you say, you know, this thing is awesome, right? And then you post, and it's just like posting inside Facebook, but you're not on Facebook. You're inside a closed area, and it enables you to communicate with other people in the system and to encourage each other. And I think it's that community part that is really going to make the training worthwhile. All right, that's it for the tutorial on using your voucher and getting into the system and getting to the social learning. You guys can build up your profiles and pictures and images and all that stuff as you go. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope that you are blessed by it.